Welcome back, guys. If you've been watching this build series, you know that I picked up this Silverado and on the quest for 1,000 wheel horsepower daily. In the last video, we built my engine, the Ford 370, and got that installed in the truck. But in this video, we're going to be attempting a first start and installing the new Huron Speed turbo kit. Also, we're going to be prepping this thing for all the boosts, so stay tuned. I ended up getting the high ram installed off camera, and now it's time for a first start. We knew at this point that it had a big cam and all, but it should have started right up, and it continuously was just cranking over with no signs of wanting to kick off. So we later figured out that it was a ripped ground in the harness preventing it from starting. So we ended up getting that fixed, and it started right up. Alright guys, so we have the turbo kit in. We're about to do the hot side here. It's from Huron Speed. This is their T6 kit. As you can see, I just literally opened up the box and haven't even opened up all the packaging and everything yet. But everything's tubular stainless steel. I do have an AC relocation kit as well for it. So as you can see on the truck here, we already have the old exhaust and everything off. So we're going to tuck up some lines and then we're going to get this turbo kit on. So I'll keep you updated in the process. I'm not gonna probably do a time lapse because you can't really see much in here, but I will keep you updated on each step. Alright guys, so it's been a little while since my last upload. Honestly, I don't remember where I was in the last clip that I had on this truck, but we ended up getting the hot side on. So we have the wastegate loosely fitted up, we have the turbo loosely fitted, and the downpipe, stuff like that, the manifolds. I need to still do the crossover, and then also I need to finish doing the intercooler stuff. The intercooler is already mounted in there. As you see, the brackets and everything are there, but I need to still run the cold side pipe up and around and get the other cold side pipe up into the throttle body. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. And then once we get that, we can do the oil drain and feed and get that all sorted out.